Hi everyone, today I'm reviewing the VGAzer Magnetic Levitating Lamp, and this is basically 3D printed, and as you can see it is levitating due to magnets. So I'm going to review this product. This is a really cool item that I got off Amazon. I'll leave a link down below in the description if you'd like to purchase it. The reason why it's really cool is that it has like the blueprint of the moon on it, and you have this little magic lightning controller, and you can be able to press it, and you can be able to notate basically what kind of color you would like. So it changes a variety of different colors. It's very classy, very cool. The only thing you have to do is just press this power button and it turns on the power, it turns it off. So I like how it's still rotating. It has a nice way of doing it, and I went ahead and put the light on so you can be able to see, but it has the curvature of the moon on it, which is really cool. Let's go ahead and turn it back on. Actually, let's go ahead and see if I can use the controller. Actually, no, you have to press this button, it turns it on, and from there then you're able to press it from this controller. And if you want in yellow, it sticks to that. Let me turn off the flasher for a second. If you want, let's say blue, get blue. Really, really cool. And let me see if I can go to. It's pretty hard taking it with the cell phone, but certain colors. I like how this is a wooden kind of not frame, but a wooden pedestal that can levitate. Is really classy. Fits in with any type of home or desk. And you've got this lighting control, which I really do appreciate. By the way, there's also different type of setting. There's a flash setting. Strobe setting. There's also a fade setting. So in my opinion, this is a really cool thing to have inside the room. If you'd like to check it out, I'll leave a link down below in the description. But if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. Happy to answer it. Any comments you like to, any questions or comments you may have, feel free to post it as well. And again, you have to make sure to magnetically hold it above and setting in the right place. And you can be able to do so because the bottom of it has this little flat surface, and that flat surface is where you place it on there. But with that said, happy to answer any questions. Comment down below. Happy to review any other products. And with that said, check you guys out next video. Thank you.